Climbing and Nature Week. We're focusing on grip and grass, and it's a 2-week theme. So we're in the mixed station. This is a spotting station. There has to be a teacher on the mountain at all times. You slide down, walk your feet up and over the bar. You're balancing. And you do a straddle. This one, you can either do handstands or you can do hollow arch. So hollow, arch, all the way down. And then you're doing open, close in the back. Okay, let's go down this way today. Okay, this is bars. Put your hands down, walk your feet up, hold it. Whew. This one's casting, or you can have them walk with their hands sideways. That. This one we're doing mountain climbers. So pull over, and this one you step your feet up and down, do like 5 times. And then this one we're doing where we're hand pull-ups. So they're gonna sit on the mat, their feet up like this. They can bend them, and just up and down, like that. Okay. This is vault. You're gonna jump on the rocks in the river. So you're doing long jumps, and then you're jumping across the river. Oh wait, no, hold on. Yeah, no, that's right. Move it. And then I think you're doing a forward roll here over the log. Like that. Climbing up the mountain. Rock climbing up the mountain. Jump down. And then you're gonna jump through the log and climb through. Like that. Okay. Beam station. You're walking through the river on all of the little stones, the sensory dots. Walk up the beam. Jump down on the red mat first, then forward roll. Okay, right here we can go sideways. Balance on this. And then this beam, they're walking like on the sides of the beam, or on these things. They're balancing. They're trying to leap from rock to rock. Okay. Well, this is okay, like that. Okay. This is floor. Backward roll here. They can do a cartwheel here, or they can push the block across like that. They're doing mountain climbers on here, like this. Okay. You're gonna swing across the rope and land on the mat. This is a swinging rope. It's not a climbing rope, so don't let them climb it. And then on these, we're planting plants like into the ground, but we're doing 2 levers. So you're planting it and then coming back up like that. Okay, character counts. We have Karina the kangaroo. She lives in nature, so you know. Okay. Boys station, skinny cat here. They're gonna walk up the rock wall and down. They're gonna come. They're gonna get on their canoe. They're gonna canoe down the river, and they're gonna get out, go through the tent. We're gonna have a backpack here. They're gonna backpack across the tree trunk. Whoa, I almost just fell. And then they're gonna climb up the mountain and then roll down. And that's it. Have a good week.